you know what I'm saying, bun coming to loose, because I'm going to keep it 100, you feel me? There's no need for me to front and flex like I'm something I'm not. The song that I'm finna drop right now is called A Letter to My Exes. It's about 3 different exes, so each verse I did 3 verses. Each verse is about a different one of my exes, you feel me? So who you know can tell you 3 love stories in 4 minutes? Just me, you know what I'm saying? Keep it 100. I just wrote it, so I still got the paper right here. I gotta look at the paper, you feel me? But I'm finna drop it right now for y'all. I'm doing it to this beat. Mary J. Blige featuring Drake, the Mr. Wrong instrumental, straight like that. Like I said, in between each verses, I'm gonna have to look down and look at my paper. But don't worry about it. Just listen to the lyrics. Here it go. Miss Pretty Cash, Birmingham, Alabama. Hey. When I met him, I was 15, he was 19. Talking to an older guy just seemed so exciting. Invited me to his hood and he helped me to the drama. I looked up to his daddy and fell in love with his mama. She told him I was the one, but we were just young, having fun in the streets, acting bad, going dumb. Now I'm doing things I ain't used to do, get high and breaking curfew. I did it all for you, I was a rider and you know it too. He kept me super straight, made sure that I ate, and it was every day, not just my birthday. Then he'll blow that cake, took me to the movies, all the gangs, all the party. We were both the cleanest, shortest little things, but somewhere we started arguing, and argument turned to fist fight and saying hurtful things too. We watched each other grow. Now I'm 18, he 22, 3.5 years, that's how long it lasts. Even though you bought me tears, you bought me more laughter. You still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga. You still my nigga, you still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga. After the breakup, I just figured out focus on college, working at McDonald's too. I'm getting money and knowledge, that's why I met him. I took his order and he took my number. We was stuck like glue. From the winter to the summer, had a lot of common. Met him in the country, but we were from the city. Clicked up on that Birmingham living. He stayed with a pocket full of money, a little dope boy. Kept him 2 necklaces, flashed a bankroll, let you know, boy. Well, somewhere down the line, this nigga gambled and lost. And now he dead broke, it's like I'm paying the cost. I went from ooh, baby, I love you, to bitches and hoes. Moved to the PJ with him and lost all of my clothes. And now I'm looking like a he on the run, I'm on the run too. He get himself in trouble and look at me like what we gon' do. I sacrifice more for him than anybody on this planet. He just took me fast and took me for granted. But it's still my nigga. You still my nigga, still my nigga. Still my nigga, still my nigga. You still my nigga. Still my nigga, still my nigga. Still my nigga, still my nigga. Been knowing them since the 6th grade, and since then I had a crush. We grown now, I moved to your hood, baby, what's up? Brain saying take it slow, heart saying gonna rush it. Only was a couple of months, I already loved her so much. She loved me too, we like best friends, and we ain't wanna never end. We used to play that Future song and sit up and talking all day long. My cousin even love me. They say Hero 100 real nigga, feel like it's my fault for realizing I can't deal with you. I knew you was off up in the streets, I told you it was cool, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, go to work or go to school. I'm feeling bad, cause he tried, he put that pride to the side. He went on plenty interviews, but he ain't the type that they choose. I put myself in his shoes. I wanna see how I feel for your girl to leave you just cause you making drug deals, and that's the only thing you know, and you gon' stop it if she patient. But I guess I just got tired of waiting. But you still my nigga, you still my nigga, still my nigga. Still my nigga, still my nigga. You still my nigga. You still my nigga, still my nigga. Still my nigga, still my nigga. And it's like the first 2 just made it worse for the last one, you feel me? Cause I had already been putting up with it, like I said, from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think I got him when I was like 22, 23, you know what I'm saying? Tried to make it work, tried for 2 years, it just couldn't help it, you feel me? I knew what I wanted for me. But it's still my nigga, still my nigga, still my nigga.